In this video, I will be comparing Unity and Godot, two of the most popular game engines on the market. Both engines have their own unique features and capabilities, making them great options for game development. In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at both engines and discussing their strengths and weaknesses, so you can make an informed decision on which engine is best for your next game project. Let's get started. Godot's learning curve is very low, making it a great choice for beginners. The engine's design is intuitive and easy to understand, and it has a simple and well-organized interface. The built-in scripting language GDScript is similar to Python and easy to learn for developers with a programming background. Something bad about Godot is that because it isn't an old engine, there may be a lack of tutorials. Maybe not at the beginning, but when you face bigger errors, good tutorials may not be found. Unity is easy to learn, even for beginners. The engine's interface is intuitive and easy to understand, and it has a wide range of tutorials and documentation available to help you get started quickly. Additionally, Unity's scripting API is well designed and easy to understand, which makes it easy for developers to create complex gameplay mechanics and logic. The engine also has a large community that provides a wealth of tutorials, resources, and support to help you overcome any challenges you might encounter. Most developers agree that Godot is much easier because of GDScript and the node system. However, it's worth noting that the ease of learning a game engine may vary depending on the individual's background and experience with programming or game development. Both Unity and Godot have built-in scripting capabilities, but they are different in nature. Unity supports a variety of scripting languages such as C#, Unity Script, also known as JavaScript for Unity, and Vue, which allows for easy and efficient scripting. The engine also provides a great set of scripting APIs, which enables you to easily create complex gameplay mechanics and logic. On the other hand, Godot has its own built-in scripting language, GDScript, which is similar to Python and easy to learn for developers with a programming background. GDScript allows you to create complex gameplay mechanics and logic as well, but it isn't as widely used as Unity scripting languages. When it comes to 2D game development, both Unity and Godot are capable of delivering smooth and efficient performance. Unity has a wide range of 2D tools and features that make it easy to create high-quality 2D games, and it also has a built-in 2D physics engine that allows for realistic and dynamic simulations. Godot also has a built-in 2D engine that is lightweight and efficient, and it has a great set of 2D physics tools that allows you to create realistic and engaging 2D games. Both engines can deliver smooth and efficient performance in 2D game development, but Unity might have a slight edge in terms of performance. When it comes to 3D game development, Unity is known for its powerful and optimized 3D engine that can deliver high-quality graphics and smooth performance on high-end devices. Unity has a wide range of 3D tools and features that make it easy to create visually stunning 3D games. On the other hand, Godot's 3D engine is not as powerful as Unity's, and it might not be able to deliver the same level of graphics quality or performance on high-end devices. However, Godot's 3D engine is designed to be lightweight and efficient, and it can deliver smooth performance on low-end devices. In conclusion, both work mostly the same in 2D, but in 3D Unity is much more powerful. Godot is an open source game engine, which means that it's completely free to use, modify, and distribute. The engine is released under the MIT license, which is a permissive open source license that allows you to use the engine for any purpose, including commercial projects. With the MIT license, you can use, modify, and distribute the engine for free, even for commercial purposes. To sum up, you can make as many games as you want with Godot and you will have a 100% of profit. This means that Godot won't ask you to pay any amount of money. Unity has two main licensing options, personal and professional. The personal license is free and it's intended for hobbyists and small indie developers. With the personal license, you can create and distribute games for free, but you will have to include a Made with Unity splash screen. The professional license is intended for larger teams and commercial projects. It includes additional features and services such as access to Unity source code and the ability to remove the Met with Unity splash screen. The professional license requires a monthly or annual subscription. The current pricing for the professional license starts at $25 per month for an annual plan and $35 for a monthly plan for small teams. This pricing may change over time. It's always best to check Unity's website for the latest information. After watching this, which one you should use? In the end, the choice between Unity and Godot will depend on your specific needs and goals as a game developer. If you are an experienced game developer and looking for a powerful and versatile engine with a wide range of platform support, Unity may be the better choice for you. However, if you are new to game development or looking for a lightweight and easy to use engine that is completely free, Godot may be the better choice. Both engines have their own strengths and weaknesses, and it's important to consider them before making a final decision. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and see you in the next one. Bye bye.